Hey guys, Danny WFO here. We just got Dave's Jeep all finished up. So if you guys recall, we had the Dynatrack 60s in here before. We did the factory disc brake 14 bolt in the rear and the 8091 Kingpin axle in the front, just to get it a little bit wider and get the 42-inch MTRs to clear a little bit better on Dave's Jeep. So you guys want to come around to the front, I want to show you something pretty cool. So Mitch ended up getting this thing where it's just about perfect in the front. If you look, the bump stop's almost completely bottomed out. The shock's almost completely bottomed out. And there's still about a ½ inch between the tire and the fender. So like I said, you know, Dave just wanted to get the wider axles in here, get the Jeep a lot more stable than what it was before. So we used the Rubicon Express belly pan. What's pretty cool about this is Mitch went in and added an extra skid plate to protect the aluminum oil pan on the 6.2 LS motor. Don't mind the fact there's no front driveline in there. You know, Danny kind of may have messed up trying to measure the front driveline. So we're gonna go take this thing for a drive. Good old soft top doors. Oh, this Jeep's tall for a short guy. You always remember to buckle up, Buttercup. All right, guys, just got done driving Dave's Jeep here. This thing turned out awesome. Dave's gonna be so stoked on it. So hopefully next week it'll be up hitting the Rubicon Trail, as long as this coronavirus stuff ends by then. So you guys want your TJ or LJ built similar to Dave's Jeep, feel free to give us a call at WFO. Shoot me an email, Danny at WFO Concepts. Remember to hit subscribe at the bottom of this video. Have a good nice day, guys.